Today I have a Lexus IS300. Throttle doesn't response. When I check, there is code P0121. It's mean throttle pedal position sensor. Sometimes scanner give you a wrong information. You can see we have code throttle pedal position sensor. But this car problem in the throttle position sensor wiring issue. This is Toyota big mistake sometime. You can see when I touch the wire, the engine, this wire is the problem. This is the throttle position sensor, but the scanner told me P0121 throttle pedal position sensor. If you have same problem, first you check the throttle wiring, not a pedal wiring. You can see there is a problem. P0121 loose connection. There is a loose connection. Before anybody join this wire. Accelerator pedal sensor 1, pedal sensor 2, and TP sensor 1, TP sensor 2 in live data. This is TP sensor 1, TP sensor 2. You can see we have 4 sensors. TP accelerator sensor 1 is good reading. In idle 0.70 and sensor 2 is 1.5. It is a good reading. But when I touch the wire, there is changing in the TP sensor. You can see. This is the Toyota Lexus common issue. Sometimes can they give you a wrong information. You must understand live data. I fixed the wire and retied the connector. Everything is good. Car is running good. Thank you for watching.